How much does it cost to start an online business? This is one of the questions that I got yesterday in my TikTok live, and I want to answer for you. Hi, my name is Marisol del Real. I'm mom of two kids. 6 months ago, I started my journey on digital marketing, and I want to share with you how much does it cost to start your online business. I'm promoting 3 programs. Why 3 programs? Because everyone has different aims and goals, and not one size fits all. I'm promoting the Launchpad. The Launchpad costs only $100. With the Launchpad, you will learn the basics about digital marketing. You will learn how to manage an online business fully automated. Every time that you sell one of the Launchpad, you earn $100. $100 in 1 year is $36,500. And we have the Passy Daily Pay Blueprint. It costs $300. When you sell one of the Passy Daily Pay Blueprint, you earn $300. The Passy Daily Pay Blueprint teach you how to attract daily pay customers. In 1 year, $109,500. You will learn how to attract daily pay customers with this blueprint. And right now we have our Black Friday special. With this special, you get an extra income stream, but I'm gonna talk about it later. And we have the Digital Mastery. The Digital Mastery teach you to master the digital marketing space. With this blueprint, you will learn how to earn $600 a day. In 1 year is $218,000. Right now, inside of my community, we have our Black Friday special. With the Black Friday special, you get access to our live training you can get for free. You can turn that training into an extra income stream. So instead of getting 3 income streams, you get 4. But this is a limited time offer. You need to take action now. You want to end this 2024 with extra cash in your pocket and start 2025 as a business owner. With these programs, you will learn attraction marketing. You will learn how to grow your following on social media, and you will learn how to create content that relates. With these programs, you learn how to earn passive income, dedicating just few hours every day, following this blueprint step by step. And also you will get access to our amazing digital grow community. Inside of our community, we have live trainings, and you will find all the support that you need to build a successful business. If you are ready to start, ready to follow this blueprint step by step, ready to learn these amazing skills that help you to change your financial situation and set 2025 for success, type ready in the comments, and I will love to share with you all the details.